Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy within the TexAu application, enabling safe, risk-free social media automation. Let's get started. Launch the application and click your account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, choose Account. Next, navigate to the Proxy section. As you can see, I've already set a proxy as indicated by the current connection details. To set a new proxy, select New Proxy. Within the subsequent pop-up, type your desired proxy name in the proxy name field. For the proxy details, input your proxy's IP and port following this format: protocol type, :/IP, port. A format reminder is conveniently provided below. If set in a private proxy, fill in the respective fields with your proxy username and password. Proceed by selecting Test Proxy to verify the connection's functionality. A successful test will reveal your connection specifics underneath. Encountering an error means you'll need to set another functional proxy and refresh the data. And that's it. The proxy setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.